Employment-related claims can arise in any business, regardless of the size. As companies grow, the risk of facing claims related to wrongful termination, harassment, discrimination, or retaliation increases. That's where directors and officers, that is D&O liability insurance, comes in, offering essential protection for leadership teams and the company itself. Why employment practices liability claims are a growing concern. Employment practices claims are on the rise, especially in the current socio-economic climate. Employees are increasingly aware of their rights, and when a violation occurs, whether it's perceived discrimination, wrongful termination, or workplace harassment, companies can find themselves facing expensive legal battles. Even if a claim is unfounded, the defense cost alone can be staggering. For example, a director might face allegations of discriminatory hiring practices, which can lead to a lawsuit that requires costly legal defense and potential settlements. How D&O insurance protects against employment practice claims. D&O insurance protects the personal assets of directors and officers while also covering the company's legal fees. Here's how it works. First, legal defense covers legal costs associated with employment-related claims. Second, settlements and judgments. If a case results in a settlement or court-ordered judgments, the policy covers those amounts. Third, individual and corporate protection. The policy can protect both individual leaders and the corporation itself. For instance, if a CEO is accused of wrongful termination, D&O insurance will cover their defense and any settlements that may result from the claim. Types of claims related to D&O insurance. Common employment-related claims covered by D&O insurance include wrongful termination. Claims made when an employee believes that they were fired without just cause. Discrimination. Cases where employees allege they were treated unfairly due to race, gender, or other protected characteristics. Harassment. Both sexual harassment and hostile work environment claims. Retaliation. Claims that an employee was punished for whistleblowing or raising concerns about illegal activities. For example, if an employee files a lawsuit claiming they were terminated due to their gender, D&O insurance can cover the defense cost and any settlement. Best practices for managing employment practice risks. While D&O insurance provides a financial safety net, it's crucial for companies to adopt preventive measures to reduce the risk of employment-related claims. First, clear HR policies. Make sure your HR policies are up to date and compliant with local laws. Second, training. Conduct regular employee training on harassment, discrimination, and workplace behavior. Third, document everything. Keep records of employee performance, reviews, disciplinary actions, and complaints. Fourth, investigate promptly. Take employee concerns seriously and investigate immediately. By putting these practices in place, you can reduce the likelihood of facing costly employment claims. The role of D&O insurance in settlement negotiations. When it comes to settlement negotiations, D&O insurance plays a critical role. Here's how it helps. First, it encourages early settlement. Knowing that legal fees are covered by insurance, companies can engage in early settlement discussions, which might help avoid long legal battles. Second, it mitigates financial loss. Even in a settlement, D&O coverage limits the financial burden on the company and its leaders. For instance, in a harassment lawsuit, D&O insurance could facilitate a settlement before it escalates to a lengthy courtroom battle. Documents required for D&O insurance claims. When filing an employment-related D&O claim, you will need First, legal complaint, the official notice of the lawsuit. Second, internal documents, emails, performance reviews, or disciplinary actions related to the employee filing the claim. Insurance policy details, the current D&O insurance policy details and coverage limits. Having these documents ready can help speed up the claims process and ensure a smoother experience. Conclusion: protecting leaders and the businesses. In today's litigious world, employment practice claims are inevitable. However, D&O insurance provides essential protection to safeguard company leaders and shield the organization from crippling legal expenses. It's about managing risk while promoting a fair and compliant workplace.